Hello and welcome friends and students. Today we are going to start the new topic of digital marketing season 2, how website works. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for latest updates and like the video. Let's get started. Hello friends, welcome back. As I told you, our today's topic is how website works. For you, actually. Welcome to our lesson on how website work. We will run down the basics without getting too technical, I promise. On website servers and domain names, what they are do for you and how to find what you need to get started. A website is your business home on the internet. It's where potential customers can come and learn about your business and what it has to offer them. Let's say you decide to open a bakery in the real world for your earnings. Okay, so first you did have to rent a space to house it, right? Well, a website is no different. Only you are not renting space in a posh locality. You are renting space on a server. There are lots of services out there that take care of this automatically. But here's a quick review so that you can have an idea about what's happening behind the scenes. We will tell you all these techniques to you. Okay, hang with us. Here comes a bit of technical information. A server is a computer connected to the internet with software that allows it to store or host the pieces of your website. The code, the images, the video clips and anything else that make up your website. It's called a server because it serves up the right content when requested. That is, when someone wants to view a page on your website, they will show you and put up that. There are many companies and services that will rent your space on a server and host your website. Just like a bricks and a mortar shop, you pay an ongoing hosting fee, which is a bit like paying rent, leaving them to take care of the technical aspects of a running server. So you don't have to. Every single server in the world has its own address to reach there. This is called IP address, which is a short for Internet Protocol. They have mainly 5 classes. All you need to know is it's a long string of numbers. That means any device connected to the internet can talk to the server and find it. Luckily, you don't need to understand what they are saying to each other. All you need to do is choose a nicer name to reference that numeric IP address with alphabets. Which brings us nicely to the second part of this session, the web address or domain name. Your domain name is how potential customers will find you. The same way people would find your real world bakery by the sign above its door. It's the thing you type into the browser window to get to any website like www.google.com or www.yourbusinessnamegoeshere.com. Let's take a minute to break it down, these examples. Everything after the www dot is actually what's known as the domain name. It's the part of that lets people find your website. So pretty important, any device that searches for this address, a tablet, a smartphone and a laptop, is communicating with the server. The server then sends that device all the correct pieces it needs to display the website things like images and code so that whoever is on the other end of the device can view your web pages very easily. When someone types your web address into their browser, here what basically happens. First, their browser figures out which server holds the content and heads over to that server. The browser then says, "Hey, would you mind giving me all the elements I need to show a person this web page?" The server replies, "Sure, I am sending along 5 images, 2 scripts and few additional files to you." The browser puts all the pieces together and the person sees your nicely formatted web pages independently. And that's pretty much it. Except they did actually be talking in really confusing bits and bytes, not in English. But that would not make any sense to us anyway. To sum up, deciding to build a website for your business starts with understanding how it all works together. A server hosts your site and a domain name helps you people to find it out. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video and to comment on your queries. Thank you very much. Have a good day.